Then number two, after you've done that, the next thing that you should ask is the title deed of that land. For those piece of land that you've been buying before, do they have title deeds?
I am not sure. I didn't know it is important to have a copy of a title deed.
It is very important because it is that title deed that will tell you more about the land. Who is the owner of that land that you're buying, and who are the previous owners of that particular land. And you'll also find out if the land has a caveat. That is, most land you realize it want to be sold, but someone has blocked the selling of the land. So that one is always registered at the land's office. So the first thing you have to do is to conduct a search of the land. So with that copy of the title deed, you go with it either physically, or you can send someone that you trust, or you can even the person that went to view the land on your behalf, you can use that person to go conduct the search for you. Now, what does the search certificate, how does the search certificate look like? It will contain the name of the person or the owner of the land. It will also state the size of the land. It will also state whether the land has a caveat or not, and all those details that you want to know. After that has been done, the next thing you need to also know is that you need to get the map of that particular area. So you go buy a map sheet for that particular piece of land. In that map sheet, it will indicate that particular land that you're buying plus the neighbors. So you'll be able to know that this land, who are my neighbors? Or another thing that is also very important about the map sheet is the shape of the land. Some of the land that we have in Kenya are triangular in shape, trapezium in shape, rectangular, square. So it will also give you an overview of the shape of the land because it is well indicated in the map sheet. After that has been done, first of all, have you ever even seen a map sheet?
I actually, whatever you're telling me is very new to me. I have never had anything like this.
Okay.
I think that is why it was so easy for me to get conned.
I know, and the moment someone realizes that you have little information about property, then they just take advantage. They take advantage. At WIMAC, we do all these things I've mentioned to you on your behalf. Because before we buy any parcel of land for selling to our clients, we have to conduct a due diligence. We have to make sure that this land is legit. We have to do due diligence. We have to conduct all the searches. So by the time we are now bringing this land to our clients for sale, you can be rest assured that this is a clean land.
Oh my goodness. Yes. I wish I met you guys earlier.
So it's never too late. It's never too late. Right. Never give up. So another thing that I also want you to know is that after you have already ascertained that the title deed is okay, the owner of the title deed. By the way, another thing that you also need to know, if you're not buying it from buying this property from a company, a registered company like WIMAC, say you're buying it from an individual out there, you need to have a copy of the ID of that person that is selling the land, so that you can match and see this is the person called Kamau Njoroge, and the title deed is reading the same Kamau Njoroge. So that's very important also to note. Then after that has been said and done, I think the next thing is to sit down with the seller and agree the payment plan. At WIMAC, we are very flexible. Our payment plan is quite flexible. You just deposit a half of the amount of money, and then the balance can be cleared in 6 months or as you wish, between 3 to 6 months. And if after 6 months you feel like you need to be added some 2 or 3 months, we can always talk.
No. You know, Mr. Justice, it's not about the money. Money is not a problem. The problem here is trusting the company. Because, see, from my past, I have lost thousands of dollars because I trusted the wrong people. Get?
I really understand. And the problem is that when it comes to property, the issue of trust doesn't come in as easily as you have stated. And that's why you realize when you want to buy property, the most important document that you should have as a buyer is a sale agreement. I want to believe that in the previous transaction that you had, you were signing a sale agreement that is legit. So if you just go buy land without a sale agreement, because in that sale agreement, we will capture quite a number of things. Number one, we will capture the name of the seller plus the ID number, the name of the buyer ID number. Then you'll also capture the name of the property you are buying.
Yeah.
That is how it is indicated in the title deed. Say, for example, if you're buying a property in Ngong, for example, it has to be written Ngong stroke the plot number.
Okay.
That must be well indicated in the title deed. So when it is also captured in the sale agreement, you will not have any fears, because you can still use the same sale agreement, which is a legal document, by the way, to even sue the person that duped you. But as it stands now, I'm very sure you don't have any document to prove that you really purchased that piece of land.
No.
And that is where you went wrong. But that notwithstanding, they say it's never too late.
Yeah.